Welcome back. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on NewsX. Our big focus this hour, NewsX's sister newspaper, The Sunday Guardian, has revealed that Nirav Modi's return to India is imminent. Remember, he's been languishing for the last 6 years in a jail in the United Kingdom. He fled India after the 13,000 crore rupee PNB fraud came to light in 2018. Now he's lost his final legal challenge against extradition to India. The UK High Court has ruled that his removal to face trial in India would not violate his human rights. The decision was handed down by Justice Victoria Sharp, President of the King's Bench Division. Justice Sharp dismissed Nirav Modi's appeal, which had raised concerns about the risk of suicide, the adequacy of prison conditions in India and the fairness of judicial proceedings he would face upon his return. Nirav Modi's legal team contended that his mental health, specifically recurrent depressive disorder and suicidal ideation, would make extradition oppressive under Article 3 of the European Convention on Human Rights. They also argued under Article 6 that Nirav Modi would not receive a fair trial in India, claiming prosecutorial overreach and political interference. His lawyers challenged the adequacy of suicide prevention measures at Mumbai's Arthur Road jail and claimed that Indian authorities had failed to provide concrete safeguards that would meet UK standards. However, these arguments were forcefully rebutted by the Crown Prosecution Service, which was acting on behalf of the Indian government. The CPS submitted that Modi's suicide risk, while real, did not meet the legal threshold of oppression. The CPS stressed that the Indian government had furnished reliable and precise diplomatic assurances regarding the availability of psychiatric care, constant surveillance and the possibility of specialist interventions as necessary. On the question of fair trial, the Crown maintained that India's judicial system functioned independently and that Modi would be tried under full public scrutiny with the opportunity to mount a vigorous defence. In her judgment, Justice Sharp accepted that Nirav Modi has a mental illness and that he is at risk of committing suicide, but concluded that the risk did not reach the threshold required to prohibit extradition. Justice Sharp's ruling removes the final legal obstacle to Nirav Modi's extradition. The matter now returns to the UK Home Office, which is expected to notify the Indian authorities formally and coordinate the logistical execution of his handover. Joining us to discuss this further is Ambassador Bhashwati Mukherjee, former diplomat. Professor Madhav Nalapat, editorial director of the Sunday Guardian, is also with us live. Dr. Sharad Kohli, economist, joins us live. Dinesh Jotwani, advocate, Supreme Court, is also with us on the broadcast. Let me make a start with you first. Professor Nalapat, big Sunday Guardian exclusive. Nirav Modi's return to India imminent. His legal options seem to have run out.
Well, I would like to basically congratulate the UK justice system, because UK had a very bad reputation